Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. And my today's video is very beautiful, stylish and have a unique design ideas. But I have only one request which I do most of times in almost my every video, that please kindly do watch the video till end and you will get amazing stylish and creative ideas. So friends, this video is concerned with the design ideas of hand embroidery patterns of cushion covers, pillow covers. So the whole video is entirely related to your home decor and home designing ideas. And cushions are a very necessary stuff when we talk about a luxury and a comfortable lifestyle. So these funky, stylish and creative patterns are highly recommendable if you are a lover of designing your home, like creative, artistic and handmade designer style pattern based styling. So as far as we are concerned about the embroidery patterns, about the embroidery stitches, then the answer to this question is very simple and easy. That is, friends, you can make all of these embroidery patterns of cushion designing with the help of embroidery threads. And the embroidery thread that you want to use, it could be on your choices. Like the most commonly used embroidery threads are anchor, DMC, or even you can use embroidery wool for making these patterns, because when you embroider something with wool, it gives a 3D and enhanced thicker layer of the embroidery pattern look. And these designs are not only scope limited for making hand embroidery patterns, but you can also make these very beautiful design patterns with the help of machine embroidery as well. So friends, you can make these embroidery patterns of very beautiful cushions, and you can decorate your living rooms, your guest room, you can place these very beautiful pattern based cushions onto your sofas, onto your beds, onto your any type of creative, making a comfy look of your furniture based stuff. So the scope and the design ideas and the idea based fashion styling patterns are not only limited to this. I have a wide variety of design ideas on my channel. If you are new, then kindly do visit my every playlist. You can have a broader perspective of fashion styling ideas. You can get amazing ideas related to women fashion, dress designing, western, eastern, Arabic style dress designing ideas, normal wear, everyday wear, party wear, and many more creative fashionable accessories, DIY stuff, crochet based patterns, crochet based ideas, designing, handmade footwear, baby dress designing, and girls fashionable accessories like bags, handbags, jewelry design ideas, mehndi designs, nail art, woolen stuff, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and many more creative fashion based ideas. So keep supporting us, keep watching my videos as you always have been. I guess that I have accepted your request of giving or delivering my ideas in a slow speed of my voice, so that you could listen what I want to share or deliver with you, because most of my YouTube friends and family members keep on commenting that please speak slow, you speak so fast, in a faster rate of speed. So I have tried my level best to speak slowly. With this, allow me to leave and stay tuned for new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and stay blessed.